The Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited has started manufacturing of AK-203 rifles in UP's Amethi, that will meet requirement of 6.7 lakh rifles for the Indian Army. The first batch of 7.62mm AK-203 rifles has been manufactured, and the beginning of deliveries to the Indian Army is expected soon. Russia's Rosoboronexport has said that the joint venture plans to ensure 100% localization of the production of AK-203 rifles in India, and the joint venture will also increase its output to export its products to third countries, and also upgrade its production facilities to manufacture new advanced rifles based on the Kalashnikov rifle platform. Swedish aircraft manufacturer Saab has dropped Adani Defence as its local partner, with whom it had planned to locally manufacture Gripen-E fighter jets under the 114 MRFA program. The chairman and managing director of Saab India has said that Saab has decided not to pursue the arrangement with the Adani group, and instead wants to manufacture the fighter jets in a joint venture company, in which Saab owns 74% stake. If Saab wins the $15 billion deal from the Indian Air Force, it will seek a partnership with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited as one of the project's multiple partners. Russia has asked India to develop a payment system to settle the outstanding debts for military platforms supplied to the Indian military. India had made a partial payment after the S400 deal was signed, but India has not made the two additional payments, despite which Russia delivered two S400 squadrons to India and is currently delivering the third squadron. Russia wants India to make payments soon, or else the delivery of the fourth and fifth S400 squadrons will be impacted. Hindustan Aeronautics is eager to begin work on tilt-rotor aircraft program by mid-2035, as tilt-rotor technology is rapidly maturing and will soon be as affordable as current helicopters. HAL's Rotary Wing Research and Design Center and Aircraft Research and Design Center are working together to create multiple flexibility studies on tilt-rotor technology. The tilt-rotor can tilt and direct the thrust towards the ground, that will allow it to take off and land vertically, and then adjust their positions to send that thrust backwards in forward flight. Indian startup Parallax Labs is working with Hindustan Aeronautics to build a virtual reality and artificial intelligence-powered training solution for operation and maintenance of Su-30 aircraft. The solution will enable the operators to take up the most challenging procedures for hands-on virtual training with real-time rectification and performance analytics. Adani Group has developed a new lighter and durable indigenous clip-on and clip-off armor made of composite material that is 40% lighter than steel-made Russian armor. The indigenous armor panels will replace the Russian armor on earlier variants of Mi-17 helicopters of the Indian Air Force that will withstand fire from small arms and snipers in close contact operations. Egypt's ambassador to India has said that India and Egypt are expanding defense cooperation, and after the recently held joint air combat exercise and naval exercise, the Special Forces of India and Egypt are all set to hold the first ever joint exercise in Rajasthan. The navies of India and France have started the 21st edition of the Varuna bilateral naval exercise on the western seaboard, in which the Indian Navy is participating with INS Chennai destroyer, INS Deg frigate, P-8I maritime patrol aircraft and MiG-29K fighter jets, while the French Navy is represented by the aircraft carrier Charles de Gaulle, Forbin and Provence frigates, Atlantique maritime patrol aircraft and Rafale marine fighter jets, which has also been selected by the Indian Navy. The exercise will include advanced air defense exercises, tactical maneuvers, surface firings and other maritime operations.